getting the calcium chloride out of this rim. This stuff is nasty and it caused that there, but I'm gonna be able to patch this rim. This one's pretty good. It's only a little area around the valve stem there. I cut a hole in the tube. This tire is also shot, so I drilled a hole in the back side of the tire. Don't even know if anything's coming out, but most of it's coming out there, and less work I have to do in the future. All right, everyone. We're gonna be working on this rim again today. I got the patch cut out and it's in place. I do have a small gap off to fill, but I'm not too worried about it. It's cold out, but I do have a little buddy heater in here to at least keep the chill off of things. I'm going to be TIG welding. I got a Eastwood TIG welder. I do enjoy TIG welding. It's pretty precise stuff, and I want to make sure it butts up well. And it should turn out pretty good, I think. Everything lined up pretty well so far. With just a couple tack welds in, and there'll be a little hammer in to make sure things are level as I'm going, but excited to see how it turns out. Check in on that later. He's working on that. I'm working on getting this tire off this rim. This rim does have a pretty big rust hole in it, but not nearly as bad as other rims, so I'm going to try to save it. I'm going to cut out the crap in this one and cut out a good chunk of another rim and make it work. Alright, so I spent a little time cleaning up the rim, figuring out what all I need to get cut out. I used a smaller 3-inch grinder cutter just to kind of give my lines. It's easier to hold that one steady. Use an angle grinder to cut the rest of this out. I'm going to take that and use it as a template on another rim to replace it. Once I get the new patch welded in, I'm just going to set this rim inside my house overnight. That way it warms up and I can paint to it and just put some rust prohibitive painting on the inside just to limit any further damage that might be caused. Alright, I got the piece cut out. I decided to go just straight through here. I'll be able to clean that up and weld it. I'm going to put tubes in this anyway, so it doesn't necessarily have to be 100% airtight. Had to go through a few spot weld on the power adjust rail here. I'm going to get those cleaned up, and I'm pretty happy. I mean, even the metal that I cut, it's all in pretty good shape, so this rim ought to turn out just fine. Alright guys, got it all patched in. Admittedly not my best welding work, had that gap to kind of fill in a few spots. But it'll work. I know they always say grinders make me the welder, I'm not. And kind of true in this case, mainly on this lower side, but I did just need to knock the bridge off most of the weld so it wouldn't be an issue for the tube.
Okay, maybe a little too much here.
All right, guys, that'll do it for today. I got the tire mounted. As you guys saw that process, this one went easier than working on that one. But putting the center in and the power adjusting rings, that'll be another day project. See you guys later. Oh yeah, that's good. That's awesome.